Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify calendar events sync with Microsoft Graph Mobile API step by step clearly. Begin by setting up your development environment for Microsoft Graph. Ensure you have a registered application in the Azure portal. Obtain the necessary permissions for calendar events in your application. Use the Microsoft Authentication Library to authenticate your app. Request an access token using the OAuth 2.0 authorization flow. Once authenticated, prepare your API request to the Microsoft Graph endpoint. To sync calendar events, use the endpoint for accessing user calendar events. Formulate a GET request to retrieve the user's calendar events. Ensure your request includes the proper headers, including the access token. Check the response for a successful status code. If successful, parse the JSON response to extract the calendar events. Review the details of the events, including start and end times. Next, create or update an event to test the synchronization. Use the post or patch method to send your event data to the Graph API. Include the necessary data in your request body following the correct format. Again, check the response for a successful status code. After creating or updating the event, retrieve the calendar events again. Compare the newly created or updated event with the initial list. Ensure the event details match to confirm successful synchronization. Document any discrepancies you encountered during your tests. Repeat the process as needed to ensure reliability and accuracy. Always monitor the logs for any potential errors or issues. Once you have verified the sync successfully, finalize your implementation. Consider edge cases and handle errors gracefully in your application logic. With these steps completed, you will have effectively verified calendar event synchronization using Microsoft Graph Mobile APIs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.